Okay, we are going to get some cubes out of this package of juice. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The first thing to do is to take one of these out of the freezer and put it on the counter for about 1 minute. The reason for that is we want just the skin of it to melt just a little bit because we need the cubes to move in there for it to open easily. So once we've done that, and this has been out a little bit, so I'm going to proceed. What you do is you grab a hold of this, okay? Put your index fingers behind it, put your thumbs on it, and work on these 2 cubes, okay? And what you'll see is that very quickly we can actually get those 2 cubes moving in there. Once you've got them moving, you can start to move some of the other cubes, okay? The corners and the edges are always going to be a bit more difficult, but you can figure out a way to manipulate those and get them to move. Once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to take a pair of scissors. You're only going to do this once, and you're going to cut the corner off of the bag, okay? Once you've done that, you're in position where you can simply just put some cubes into a glass, and this you're going to return to the freezer. When you go to get it out the next time, you can repeat the same procedure, but you won't use the scissors again. So you'd take it out of the freezer, and you'd work a couple of cubes loose, and you can work them up through the same hole. So that's how it's done.